Windows are building elements that have a significant impact on the energy efficiency of buildings. At the same time, windows must withstand the effects of weathering for many years. Wood windows are made of so-called window scantlings, which consist of several layers of wood glued together. The bonding between these layers has to comply with strict standards and is defined by minimum quality requirements. Adhesives used in this manufacturing process are, for example, PVAc dispersion adhesives, such as Jowakal 10226, which meets these special requirements. Dispersion adhesives for the production of window scantlings must meet durability class D4 according to EN 204. Additionally, the tensile shear strength according to EN 14257, previously known as WAT 91, must be higher than 7 Newton per square millimeter. Both standards require the preparation and testing of specimens in accordance with EN 205. But what does this mean? The standard N204 evaluates the water resistance of thermoplastic wood adhesives for non-structural applications. Bonded window scantlings have to meet the highest durability class, D4. It describes adhesive joints in interiors with frequent heavy exposure to running water or condensed water, or in exteriors, but with protection by an adequate surface coating. Each durability class involves a special conditioning sequence in water, followed by drying in some cases, and a subsequent determination of the tensile shear strength. If the bonding meets the required strength after conditioning, it is assigned to the corresponding durability class. Water resistance is one factor. Another factor is heat resistance. The heat resistance of thermoplastic wood adhesives is determined in accordance with N 14257. This requires the same type of specimens as for N 204. After the parts have been bonded and the adhesive has dried, the specimens are stored at 80 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then, the failure load, meaning the tensile shear strength of the lap joint, is determined. If the measured value exceeds 7 Newton per square millimeter, the adhesive can be used for this application. In summary, only adhesives that meet durability class D4 according to N204 classification of thermoplastic wood adhesives for non-structural applications may be used for this type of bonding. In addition, the adhesives must achieve a bond strength of at least 7 Newton per square millimeter in accordance with N 14257 determination of tensile strength of lap joints at elevated temperature. The preparation of the specimens, the testing procedure and the evaluation of the test results must be carried out in accordance with N 205. The Jowakal product portfolio supplies a wide range of adhesives which meet these requirements. Highest product quality for highest durability. To ensure a clear view for years to come, particularly regarding wood windows.